In this video, how to fix unidentified network error on Windows 11. First, search for network connection. Select View Network Connections result under the best match. Double-click on the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter. Select the Properties button. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Then select the Properties button. As you can see, you got the unidentified network status because of missing DNS server configuration. The easiest way to fix it is to obtain the IP address and DNS server address automatically from the DHCP server in your network. Additionally, I recommend you disable the IP version 6 for the network adapter. As you can see, the unidentified network was gone, and the computer should be able to access the internet normally. Alternatively, in some cases, if there's no DHCP server in your network, you can configure the DNS server manually. For example, you can use the DNS servers of Google and Cloudflare for better speed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.